What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. It's your good heart VA Simon once again, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. For those who are new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful and get updated on the latest posts we share here from time to time by turning on your notifications. Today's tutorial is going to be the lens flare effect in Canva. Quote and quote, as written by Masterclass, understanding light is the most valuable skill you can learn as a photographer. Lens flare can be accidental or deliberate. Some photographers like the look of lens flare because it can add a touch of realism and heighten artistic drama. Others don't care for it. It depends on your photography style and what look you hope to achieve with your images. In any case, it's helpful to know what causes lens flare so you can learn how to prevent it or in some instances, learn how to deliberately achieve it. Lens flare is a response to a bright, non-image forming light like the sun, a full moon, or artificial lighting which appears on the photo in the form of a haze or a starburst. To make this long intro short, let's start designing in Canva using the lens flare effect. And these are the samples that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page editor and I'll create two open pages. In this effect, the picture you choose to use plays a big role, and I suggest you select a picture with open and wide background because that's where we will place the lens flare effect. This is a very easy effect that you can create in Canva. It only takes a minute to create one. That is why I will do two examples for you to see. These are the pictures I got from photos that I'm gonna apply the lens flare effect. Go to Photos and search the keyword Asian students reading books. First in the list, I will drag it and use it in the design. A very captivating photo of students taken from outside and with a very balanced lighting as its background. I'll set this image as my background. For the second photo, I will go again to Photos and search for the keyword woman in white tank, top sitting on black couch. Love this picture because of the beautiful shadows that will bring more emphasis on the lens flare effect that I will add into it later. I'll set this image as my background. Let's now create the lens flare effect. Let's go back to this first photo and let's overlay the very beautiful lens flare elements from Elements. Now go to Elements and type in the search bar the keyword lens flare. Go to Graphics and look for a beautiful lens flare that I can use in this photo. I will just scroll down and I will use this one. I saw this beautiful one with the keyword PNG yellow lens flare with ring ghost lighting effect. It's a very nice lens flare to use, but because of my curiosity, I want to find similar images like this, so I can have other elements to use, the exact one in my mind. I will click the three dots in the upper right corner of the element and scroll down to see the magnifying icon that has a title, See More Like This. Click it and find other beautiful lens flare elements to choose from. This is the particular lens flare element that struck my eyes. The keyword is PNG pink lens flare with colorful ring ghost lighting effect. I will drag it and I will overlay it over the image. I am going to rotate it and position it correctly to show that the lens flare is the result of the sun's light from the back. It only means that I need to create an additional sun's light, and I will use this element for that. I think I will use this one. And I will show you the keyword, which is PNG authentic anamorphic lens flare with ring ghost effect. I will place it here. I will just lock them. It is not done yet. I will add another element to beautify this design. From the choices again, I will get this one, the first one with the keyword PNG abstract purple lens flare transparent background. And I will use it to overlay it again. I will rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. And I will resize this to occupy the whole page. I will position it bottom and then lock it. This is the quick look of the first sample I created using the lens flare effect in Canva. For the second sample, this time the lens flare will not come from the elements. Instead, I will get it from photos. I will go to photos again and I will search for this brand code keyword, small letters brand, colon, capital B, capital A, capital E, small letter Z, capital O, small letter V, capital Y, small letter Q, capital U, capital Q, number 4, and then hit enter. And here they are coming in front of your eyes. Imagine how many beautiful designs you can create out from these photos. I will pick the first photo in the list, drag it, and use it in the design. I will rotate this 57 degrees clockwise. Resize it to occupy the whole page. Position it in a place that suits your eyes, and then after that, I will now lock it. This is the quick look of second sample I created using the lens flare effect in Canva. Done! Again, let me show you the two designs I created using the lens flare effect in Canva. This is the first sample. This is the second sample. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I am Simon, Good Heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video.